Back at it once again. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP, with the weekly money watch. Man, Donald Trump, president elect. We got the results. The market went rippy. Bitcoin all time high, $80,000. The market has been absolutely amazing. I'm looking forward to what's to happen next. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel so that you can get the drops as soon as they are available. Not going to take up too much of your time. Going to start off like we always do. Update on the Roth portfolio. It is going absolutely amazing. We continue to make all-time highs. If you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest in the stock market the right way, make sure to refer them over to the channel. Let's check out the U.S. economics calendar for the week. Monday, November 11th, Veterans Day holiday. The bond markets will be closed. Tuesday, we have some Fed speak. Wednesday, CPI. Everybody's going to be looking forward to the CPI numbers. We're going to have some more Fed speak on Wednesday. Thursday, we're going to have PPI. We're definitely going to be paying attention to those numbers. Jerome Powell speaks as well. And then Friday, we have the import price index, industrial production, among a few other things. Let's go ahead and get into the almanac for this week. So Veterans Day, Monday before November expiration, Dow has been up 12 of the last 19 trading sessions. In 2008, it was down 2.6%. 2018, it was down 2.3%. Monday is historically bearish, but we'll see what happens in the market. If it is bearish, I love discounts. I am definitely going to be looking for some discounts. Tuesday, historically more bullish than not. The week before Thanksgiving, Dow has been up 19 of the last 30 trading sessions and down last 6. 2003 minus 1.4%, 2004 minus 0.8%, 2008 minus 5.3%, 2011 minus 2.9%, and 2012 minus 1.8%, 2018 minus 2.2%, although Wednesday the 13th is generally a bullish day. Thursday, more bearish. Historically, November expiration day, the Dow has been up 15 of the last 21 trading sessions. Dow surged in 2008, up 494 points, or 6.5%. Let's get into the reason everyone is here. I'm going to help you guys out this week. We're going to look at some setups, and then I'm going to help you with some fundamental information as well. One of the stocks we're going to be looking at this week, one of my favorite, NU. You guys know, obviously, this has been a crazy mover in the portfolio, and it's the largest holding in the portfolio, share and dollar-wise. Corporate data, November 13th, we have earnings, 5 p.m. Eastern time, so we're going to be looking out for that. As far as price action goes, we're looking for simply a 3-1-2 week above 1544 Chicago. Their first target we're going to be looking at is around 17.25, and then the second target we're going to be looking at is right around $19. Obviously, multi-time frame analysis is telling us this is green across the board. Nice green quarter, nice green month, nice green week last week. All the days green. So we actually have some positions in here across the board, but yeah, this seems pretty clean right here. So we definitely want to take advantage of NU. Yeah, that's pretty dope right there. Another one I'm going to be looking at ticker symbol BG, Bungie. As far as price action, 87.51 is a 2-2 week. It's just below quarterly broadening formation. So I want to see what happens here. There's a yearly broadening formation with a gap above. I was over here looking at the options chain, and there's some pretty crazy opportunities here. So I just want to see how things play out. There was some nice volume last trading session, about 2.3 on the volume. As far as corporate data, dividend on the 18th, so definitely be aware of that. But the whole chart setup overall looks pretty good. And I'm gonna go back to some things. I'm gonna help you guys out. So with these different charts, or hold on one second. Before I do that, I'm actually gonna go to the last ticker, but BG, 2-2 week above 87.51. If this thing gets to going, you can see there's a long way to go to this yearly broad formation around 98. And then next stop after that is a clean 120 with nothing to stop. It's like a PMG on a monthly time frame, pivot machine gun. So 2 reversal, potentially setting up for next month off the fail, 2 down, pushing back up. So the last ticker we're going to be looking at is Darling International, DAR. Let me slide that over there. And it's got a nice hammer on the week. Close at the top of the previous week's range, which is absolutely amazing. I definitely like that. And you can kind of see the range we're in. We reversed off of a monthly broadening formation. We're holding above we're right at a quarterly broadening formation. So we want to see if we can make this move up. I'm actually going to show you guys some more macros so you guys can kind of get an idea of what I'm looking at. So got the quarter, but let me go to the year and kind of just zoom out. So you can see kind of the way we were trending now. And it looks like we're setting up for a potential reversal back the other way. Let me zoom out more so you can kind of see where we are. And then as I go down through these lower time frames, I'll kind of zoom out so you can kind of see the way I'm looking at this here. So we came down, there was a lot of consolidation at the highs, and then it pushed all the way down. That's about a 50% corrective activity from the high low there. And we're actually sitting right there at those levels. If I actually go down on the month, you'll see how the price has just simply been consolidating here. We reversed off of a monthly broadening formation. Everything is closed above 36.38, which is pretty cool there. We don't have much stopping us once we actually do break. Next stop, we're looking at about $47, right? So we have a few levels in between. But if we zoom out on this and we look at it above that yearly level, once we get there and we break, that's a clean break to $91, right? So clean break to $91, that is over 100% on the underlying. So this is what I do. I like to buy low. I like to sell high. This is how we make the most money, right? Let me show you something. Whenever you study these charts, you definitely want to make sure you know about the companies, right? So hold on. Matter of fact, I'm going to do it this way. This is the way I'm going to do it. So when on Thinkorswim, when you go through the analyzing the fundamentals, you know, we've been through this. You can get, you know, a little data on the company. You can go to the websites. So what I actually did was I actually pulled up the websites for all of the companies. I'm going to start off with NU and then I'll get to the other two, and you know, you can kind of see how this works. But we got NU. I love fintech. Absolutely growing markets. Latin America, this stock has been absolutely amazing. So right now, I don't believe they even have a bank charter right now. So the largest deposits that they can have, I believe, are $18,000 with the bank charter, which they are in line to get. Hopefully they actually do get that. They'll be able to have deposits of $180,000, which means they'll be able to draw in large investors. Not they can put more than that, but that's the insurance. That's how much they'll be insured for, right? Right now, the most they can do is $18,000, but it's growing in Latin America. A large portion of Latin America does not have banking accounts. They're unbanked. So this is new bank. This is what we're investing in right here. So this is pretty dope here. Let's get into the couple other tickers we're going to be looking at. Bungie. So what is actually bungee? Well, you see, you see croissant, agriculture, food ingredients, sustainability, innovation, connecting for a better tomorrow. So you can kind of see the details: 23,000 employees, 300 plus facilities, financials, different reports, spotlight stories. So what is Bungie? Let's see. We are Bungie. Uh, let's see. Bungie is a leader in agribusiness, food, and ingredients, and has an important role to play in using its crop infrastructure to help fuel renewable energy solutions, uh, agriculture, connecting farmers and consumers globally. We manage production, distribution, flows, quality, risk, and provide transparency across fully integrated end to end value chains. Food and ingredients. We collaborate with customers to create tailored and innovative solutions to meet evolving dietary needs and trends, delivering the functionality the food and nutrition industry demands, and satisfying the diverse taste of consumers in every part of the world. The markets they serve, animal feed. Let's check out the bakery. Mm, cupcakes. I haven't had a cupcake in so long. If you know me, I'm like all healthy. I do like cupcakes, but haven't had one in a while. Creating exceptional bakery products is an evolving art. I'm not going to get into everything, but you can kind of see what they do. And one of the things, I don't know if you noticed this about the actual foods and different things, is it talked about it earlier, um, about the energy and different things that they do. So they serve a lot of different people, a lot of different energy, a lot of different industries, I should say, and biofuels as well. You can see they got somebody at the gas pump here on that image, constantly working to minimize environmental footprint and contribute to innovative solutions that cut carbon across our value chain. Governments, industries, and companies are increasingly working to achieve their goal for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. As part of this, there are more and more clean fuel programs driving demand for fuels with lower carbon intensity composition. So I'm not going to get into that, but if you want to learn more about Bungie, renewable biodiesel, ethanol, SAF, definitely check them out. The other company we're going to check out might be a kind of like a similar theme, but Darling. So what is Darling? We repurpose and recycle materials from the animal agriculture and food industries, transforming them into essential ingredients that do everything from feeding animals to fertilizing crops to fueling planes and nourishing people. If you notice between Darling and Bungie, there may be some themes there. You talk about the environmental impact, social impact, new insights and stories, collagen peptides. If you're into health, you know about collagen peptides, and people are taking these supplements. So, 2024, one of America's most responsible companies. So you can check out the insights, news about the company. Let's see, a leader in the community. All of our 350 ingredients are created from natural materials that would have otherwise gone unused. It's an approach we learned from nature where waste does not exist and every atom is reused again. So, company overview: 20 years of leadership founded in 1882. So, been around. So, Yeah, if you actually get into the company, they do a whole lot of different stuff. I'm not going to get into too much to save people a lot of time. But if you ever want to learn about the companies you're invested in, make sure that on Thinkorswim you go check out the website. Or even if you don't, get that website uh, from say Thinkorswim. You can definitely Google it. You can always check out the investor section. All these websites, they have investor section. They even have the price, stock info, all the events. They'll have all the earnings and all the different kind of stuff. A lot of times, if you want to check out the earnings, you just come to the website. Sometimes they host earnings on the website. Many of these companies do. So anyway, I hope you guys appreciate this. Hope you guys are learning and excited for this week. If you guys have any questions for me, make sure to put those down in the comments below. I am absolutely looking forward to having a wonderful week, and I hope you are as well. I appreciate you spending some time with me today, and I'll catch up with you guys next week. This is your man, Boss Gang VIP, with the weekly Money Watch. I'm out. Just have a great week. Peace.